Alright, so our ridge panel cuts will come up and just measure to our ridge line. And go ahead and write those down. And then once we get that list, we'll take it over to our cutting station. And here we'll go ahead and mark that measurement. 2 different lines. Create a straight line, and we'll take it to our cutter. And that panel will be ready to install on the ridge. Alright, when it's time to install our ridge panels, you got a couple different options. One option is I can go ahead and measure this, put a bend on it. You can see I got one panel even to my ridge line. The next one comes right over the top and folds over that guy and go ahead and fasten as normal. So that's option. You got another option where I'm just going to go ahead and just cut the panel straight off, even with my ridge line. Just install that as normal and fast. Now, depending on where my coursing lines up, you might have to put a spacer behind this panel to make it stay the same plane as the rest of the roof. You can do a 1x4. You can even take the scrap from where I cut my panel and go ahead and place that back there and use that as a spacer to keep the same plane going down the roof. And then just go ahead and fasten down through the top into the decking. And then we're going to go ahead and follow up with our barrier foam. Comes right over the top like this. And then we come back with our cottage cap on top.